Hi guys, so this is Volvo S90 top of the line Inscription model. The first thing which gets your attention as you look at this car is the long bonnet over here. See over here, like it looks so long and it feels like it has a V8 or V10 engine out there, but however it has a diesel engine of 2 liter, which is a four-cylinder motor. It churns out 190 bhp and a torque of 400 Nm. The best part about this engine is there's no turbo lag because it has twin turbos. It has like a smaller turbo and a bigger turbo, so there's no turbo lag at all. Then the second thing which gives it a great look is this grill. It's a huge grill, it's a bigger one, and there are 23 slits out there, and the center logo of Volvo, it looks awesome. So this logo of Volvo denotes iron in ancient chemistry. Then you have this camera here. This car has 360-degree camera. Then these are full LED active high beam headlamps with a Thor's hammer DRL. Yeah. Automatic headlamps, high beam, low beam, all kind of adjustment can be done automatically once you set into auto mode. And then this is the bumper design. When you come at the side, so this car sits on Pirelli P0 tires. R18 is the size of these alloys. It's been specially designed for Volvo. You can see out here, yeah. And this has road noise cancellation. These are the best grade of tires available. So this is the side profile of the car. Look at here, yeah. So Volvo has taken care of small things, like you can see the positioning of the side view mirrors on the shoulder rather than placing it on the A pillar here. So there's a reason to it. It reduces the blind spot as well as the wind noise getting into the cabin. Yeah, and here's the Inscription badging of Volvo. This is the chrome. Then you have chrome out here. Then you have puddle lights here. Over here, yeah. So the night looks great. So coming to the rear end, Volvo has given a distinctive look to the car. So these are the C-shaped full LED tail lamps and the Volvo badging in the center. Then you have these two tailpipes, fully functional tailpipes with the chrome. So the design of Volvo is quite distinctive. It looks as impressive as the front. Yeah. And there are a few other functions which I'll show. Now the key of the car is in my pocket, so if you kick it here, it gets opened by, and you can see there's a lot of space in the boot, 500 liters of the boot space. Then there's this button, yeah, this one. So if in case you want to lock your boot here and go, you can just push the button. Yeah, it not even just closes the boot, it also closes the whole car. So car gets locked from here, yeah. So first we will sit at the back seat of the car. Most of the customers buying this car will be enjoying in the back seat. So guys, this is the rear part of the car. So you can see walnut wood here. Then you have Nappa leather. And these are the speakers. So you have AC vents on the B pillar as well as in the center, and it's a 4-zone AC. so all the 4 occupants can adjust their temperature as per their need. See, yeah. And then you have this armrest here. You have space to keep your mobile and few stuff. Then you have these cup holders. The thigh support is quite generous, and the headroom. So guys, this is the interior of the car. This is a 9-inch center display. It's the touch screen, so you have all the controls here. I'll turn off the AC because there will be so much of wind noise. It will be difficult for me to speak something. So you can see the kind of controls here. The lane keeping aid. So this car has a facility if in case you are driving in a lane and this lane keeping aid is on. So car won't allow you to get out of the lane unless you put a indicator. So the car restricts going out of the lane, so it will think like the driver is sleepy or drowsy. So these are the safety things. Then you have roadside information. Any roadside information out there will be captured through camera and will be shown on this driver display. So the speed limit or school warning or any kind of road information is there on the road. Then you have this 360-degree camera. Look at the view. Wow. You can select cameras from here, which camera I want to see. It's very clear, guys. Then you have this park out facility in the car. So basically what does it do? It finds a spot to park your car and take the controls of the steering and park it. Then you have adjust passenger seats, so you can take the control of the 4 passenger seats and make that seat. Now the controls are with me. So it is useful if in case the driver is driving the car and someone is sitting at the back and wants more leg room. Then you have these cornering lamps. This is a private locking. This is something innovative. So you can put a password and boot get locked. So it is helpful at the time of valet parking if you go to any hotel or restaurant. Then this is the Bowers and Wilkins music system. This system sounds blast. It has 19 speakers and it's 1400 watt. You will not find this level of music system in any of the car of this price range. By the way, I forgot to tell the price of this. Its price is 58.90. Then you have this glove box here, a lot of space, and you have cooling system here also, so you can push it. Yeah. Then this is the center console. So you have a gear knob, then you have start stop button, then this is drive mode system. So these are the drive modes: dynamic, comfort and eco. So you can select them and enjoy the drive. Guys, now I'll take this car for a spin and show you how the semi-autonomous driving works in this car. Let's go. So guys, as I told you earlier, like this car is equipped with a 2-liter diesel engine which has twin turbos. So while you drive, it drives so well. There's no turbo lag at all. You don't even feel it's a diesel car. There's no sound inside the cabin. It drives so smooth. This is one of the finest engine I have driven till date, and like this is the reason I love this car a lot. And with host of safety features, which depends on the radar safety, which it calculates the relative speed of the car which is in front of you. So I'm using those features. Yeah, so as you can see, this is turned green. Yeah, so the pilot assist is working now. Now you can see I'm not controlling the car, braking, acceleration, nothing. It's so awesome. So on highways, many a times what happens, like driving 100, 200 kilometers, become bit. So you have to apply steering once in a while, so that car will know you are awake, and then you can leave it alone. Yeah. So you can see taking control by its own. You can increase the speed. It feels like a robot is driving a car. So it's an amazing feeling, you know. It's like level 1 of autonomous driving. So the days are not far when all the cars are driven by the computers. So computers will take on the drivers, I think. So you see how cool I'm sitting. I'm least bothered. The braking, acceleration, the steering, everything is in car's control. Sometimes I have to just shake the steering, nothing else. It can work up to a speed of 200 kilometers per hour, which is quite good speed.